guys, I'm Andrea, thank you for joining me. I've got a little bit of a haul to show you, but before that, let me just show you this gorgeous card I got as a rack from the Joy Sets from Julie Hilditch. How beautiful is that? Now I have to go and try and do some of this crumb cake stamping, texture stamping. The card itself is beautiful. Gorgeous textured card. It's like linen. It's absolutely gorgeous. Must try something like this. It's absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Julie. Now I got a little Stampin' Up order today. This came actually on its own. It should have come on my last order, but it didn't. Family and friends. I really loved it, and it's so cute, but now I've got it, I don't know what to do with it. So I'm going to be looking around for inspiration on that one. Yeah, I need to play with that, I think. I also, this wasn't a very big order, it was only a couple of bits and bobs for me in it. I got Love You to Pieces. I had sort of been looking at this since it came out and liked the look of it. It's clear mount again. And then thought, no. yeah, no, you know when you get that yeah, no thing. But then I had an idea for something to make for Valentine's Day, and I just had to have it for that. And I got the dies to go with that. Well, I hope they go with it. They were sold as a bundle. I bought it as a bundle to save some money. Yeah, I'm thinking those 4 dies would definitely cut out this into 4 pieces. That piece is obviously its own. Does that cut everything out into separate pieces? I'll have to have a little play with that. I'm looking forward to that. But even so, you could still stamp little bits and bobs, or you could stamp a big picture. So I'll have a little play with that. I'm looking forward to that. And I saw an amazing card made using puzzle pieces, and I thought, right, that's it. I've got to have some puzzle pieces because the card was just absolutely fantastic. It was a wedding card. It was absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, so I got those. I got, oh yeah, I got a stack of new catalogues, spring summer catalogues, because I'd run out. The other thing I wanted was some Saleabration brochures, and I never got them. Instead I got these. And there's no explanation. I've had no email. There's nothing on my invoice. All I can assume is that they haven't got any Saleabration brochures. And so they sent me something of a similar value. But that's all well and good, but I don't want these. I don't like them. They're too small for me to use. I wanted Saleabration brochures. I've got nothing else in this suite. They're ridiculous this morning, aren't they? Yeah, so really, I'm not quite sure what's going on. I'm assuming that they've run out of Saleabration brochures again, and perhaps they're not getting any more, I don't know. I know that the ribbons, the Saleabration ribbons have already been, they're unorderable now because the stock has been completely depleted. I know the botanical butterflies, which leads me nicely into my next piece, is now on back order. There's a few things that are on back order. Yeah. Doesn't look like Stampin' Up were prepared. Now, you've seen the botanical butterflies papers before because I've had them already. But I had to have more because I love them. And that's quite weird because I didn't like them when I first got them. So yeah, but in the absence of the ribbon, once you've got all the stamp sets and dies and stuff, in the absence of the ribbons being available still, there's not a lot you can do other than get the papers. So yeah, I've got papers again. So these are the papers. I think these are one of them. But I am using these. I do like them, and they're nice to give as gifts as well to people. So that's the Saleabration freebie. Yeah, things have gone a little bit to pot, I think. Not quite sure what's going on. But I'll definitely be giving them to somebody because there's no way, or I'll return them, but no way I want them and I'm not going to use them. I think it's a bit cheeky really, sending you something. They should refund you the money, not send you what they think you want. And especially when they haven't like looked at obviously what I've already bought, because they would have sent me something that went with what I'd already got. Right, this is All My Love DSP, and this goes with Balmy Blue, Crumb Cake, Flirty Flamingo, lovely lipstick, soft seafoam. Sorry, I've got a tooth problem. Soft seafoam and Whisper White. Yeah, so I can't talk properly, can't eat properly, can't do anything properly, and I'm miserable. So this is one of the, this is kind of like the Valentine's paper this year. Oh, it's all bent. It's not very good, is it? Every piece is bent. I'll be complaining about that. So it's just basic paper. That's really nice. I mean, you can't go wrong with the floral, can you? That's the same thing, but in a different colourway. And there's the background to that, like a pinstripe. That's quite cute. I like Dixie little patterns sometimes. Well, that's making me feel dizzy. That's got like chevrons on it. And then you've got that one, which I suppose you could colour in. Oh, and there's heart paper on the back. Or the heart paper's on the front and the flowers are on the back, whichever way you look at it. There's that one again, in another colourway. And you've got like little sort of leaf trellis pattern on the back. Oh, little hearts filled with roses. They're cute. And, oh, that's cute. Little hearts all over. I like that. I can see I'm going to be using this quite a bit. Oh, it's gorgeous. That'll go well in my Valentine's project that I'm planning. And what did I say? That lovely pink colour. There's Balmy Blue, Crumb Cake, Flirty Flamingo, lovely lipstick. So that's Flirty Flamingo, is it? Nice. So, yeah. I think Flirty Flamingo was a pink, gets forgotten sometimes. So it's quite a vibrant pink. I like it. And that's it. That's my little stash. So I'm going to have to complain about that being bent. I do like things to be pristine. I think, look, both of them are bent. When you're paying for a premium product, you expect it to come in a premium condition. And these, I've no idea what that's all about. So yeah, so that's my little mini haul. And I can't wait. In fact, I'm going to start using these straight away because I'm going to do my Valentine's project. I can't wait. So yeah, I'm going to do an entry to a competition for, is it a competition or was it just a challenge? I think it was a competition on Positively Papercraft. So yeah, I'm going to do that next. Okay, thanks for joining me and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.